Good morning, students. So today we will do the 4.5 exercise of determinant, which is based on adjoint and inverse of matrix. Okay, so we will do today adjoint and inverse of matrix. How we can find the adjoint of matrix, I will tell you in this exercise. So firstly, adjoint of matrix. Adjoint of matrix can be found with the cofactors of any matrix. Okay, so we have to find firstly cofactors of any matrix, then we have to find its transpose means we have to change the row into column and column into row, that is a transpose. So that will be the your adjoint of the matrix. Now here some theorems, but I think you will be more understand by the questions, not by the theorem. So I will do questions for you. So there is a first question: find adjoint of each of the matrix in exercise first and second. First question is simple. This is easy. I will do second for you. That is the 1, -1, 2, 2, 3, 5 and -2, 0, 1. We have to find its adjoint. So firstly we have to find its cofactor. You know very well how to find cofactor because it is already done in 4.4 एक्सरसाइज. तो अगर आपको कोफैक्टर्स एंड माइनस में प्रॉब्लम है तो आप वो 4.4 वाली वीडियो देख लो, आपको उसमें समझ आ जाएगा कि कोफैक्टर एंड माइनर कैसे फाइंड करते हैं. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द कोफैक्टर्स ऑफ दिस. सबसे पहले हम किसका कोफैक्टर फाइंड करेंगे? A11. A11 1 मीन्स 1 and 1 means -1's power 1 plus 1, that will be 2, that will be even. If here is a even number, that sign will be the plus, and if here is a odd number, then sign will be the negative. So here we will take the even number. Okay, so we will take plus. Then we have to leave this column and this row. 3 5 0 1. 3 1s are 3 minus 5 zeros are 0, that will be the 3. So cofactors of A11 is equal to 3. Then we will find cofactor of A12 means -1. Here is a odd number, then answer then it include the minus sign. 2 1s are 2. We have to leave this column and this row. Then 2 1s are 2. 2 5 minus 2 1. 2 1s are 2 minus 5 2s are 10, that will be plus na. 2 minus 10, 2 plus 10 is equal to 12. So cofactor of A12 is equal to 12. Similarly we will find cofactor of A13. 1 1 1 2 1 3, that will be positive, so sign will be plus. We have to leave this column and this row. 2 3 minus 2 0. 2 zeros are 0 minus 3 2s are 6 minus 6, it will be 6. A14, sorry, A21. 21 means 2. We have to leave this column and this row. Okay, so that will be -1 2 0 1 -1 1, but here is the negative sign, so negative -1 is equal to 1. A22 is equal to 1. 2 minus 2 1, that will be 1 minus plus 2 2s are 4, that will be 5. Okay, now A23, that will be 1 -1 -2 0, that will be 0. 2 3 5, it means we will take the negative sign. 2 minus 2 1s are 2 minus plus 2, that will be -2. A31, we have to leave this column and this row. -1 2 3 5, that will be -5, but here is a positive sign. 3 plus 1 4, 4 is a positive, so we will take positive sign. -5 minus 6 is equal to -11. Now we will take A32 is equal to this column and this row. 1 2 2 and 5. 5 1s are 5 minus 2 2s are 4, that will be 1, but we have to take negative sign because 3 plus 2 5, that is a odd number, so we will take negative sign. A33 is equal to 1 -1 2 3, that will be 3 minus plus 2 is equal to 5. So these are the cofactors of this matrix. So we will write it in the matrix. A11 3 12 6. Now A21 1 5 minus 2 minus 11 minus 1 5. Now for the adjoint we have to find its transpose. How we can find its transpose? For the transpose you have to just interchange the row and the column. You have to just this row change into the column. 3 12 6. Now 1 5 minus 2 minus 11 minus 1 5. This is the adjoint of this matrix. Hope you will understand. It's very easy question. Firstly we have to find the cofactors and then take its transpose. Transpose means row को column में change करना and column को row में change करना. That will be your transpose. So this is your adjoint of the matrix. That is the second question. First question is very easy because you know how to find the cofactor. This is a cofactor of A11. This is a cofactor of A22. Similarly, this is a cofactor of A13. This is 21. This is a cofactor of 22. So you just have to put the signs and take transpose. That will be adjoint of that matrix. So it is easy. So I have done this for you. Now second question. Verify A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A is equal to into A is equal to A determinant into I. What is the meaning of I? I will do second part for you. First part is very easy. So I will do the second part for you. Fourth question. That is the 1 3 1 minus 1 0 0 2 minus 2 3. We have to verify A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A is equal to A determinant into I. For this we know that A को adjoint A से multiply करो, adjoint A को A से multiply करो, doesn't matter, it is equal. So we have to prove that it is equal to A determinant into I means identity. Okay, so firstly we have to find the adjoint of A, then we have to find the cofactor obviously. So cofactor of 1 A11 is equal to 0 minus 2 0 3. That is a positive sign. 0 आ जाएगा. A12. Now I will find directly because you know how to find the cofactor. Okay, 3 3s are 9 minus 2 1s are 2 plus 11. That will be 11. Negative sign. A13 is equal to this column and this row 1 0 are 0. Minus means minus minus plus. 3 1s are 3. But we have to sign positive 3. A21 is equal to minus 3. 2 0s are 0. That is minus 3 plus का sign हो जाएगा 3. A22 is equal to this one and this one. 3 1s are 3. Minus 2 1s are 2. That will be 1. Positive sign. A23 negative sign. 0 minus minus 1 0 are 0. Minus 1 plus 1. That will be negative sign. That will be minus. Okay. A23. Now A31 is equal to 2. A32 is equal to negative sign. That will be 0 minus 3. Sorry, 3 2 है ना. That will be minus 2 minus 5 minus 6 minus 2 minus 6 minus 8 plus 8 हो जाएगा. A33 is equal to this one and this one. 1 0 0 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, सॉरी ये थर्ड वाला लास्ट में छोड़ना था. 0 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, minus 2 minus 6. That will be minus 8 plus 8. So these are the cofactors. Okay, now I will tell you one more method to write direct the adjoint. For the transpose, we have to change row into column and column into row. So you can do also this method. You can apply these method according to row. You will change it into the column. For example, now we will write it as a column. जैसे हमने रो यहाँ पे 1 1 निकाला है, 1 2 1 3 2 1. जैसे हम इनको लिखते हैं 1 2 को एज ए रो, आप डायरेक्ट इसको एज ए कॉलम में लिख दो ना. जैसे 1 1 है 0, A12 है इसको कॉलम में लिख दो. minus 11, A13 है इसको कॉलम में लिख दो. That is 3. Here 3 1 minus 1 2 8 and 3. This is your direct transpose. You can write it direct. Doesn't need to change into transpose. Okay. अगर आप शो करना चाहते हो तो शो कर सकते हो कि ट्रांसपोज को हमने चेंज किया है. Otherwise you can write it directly. Okay. This is your cofactors. find adjoint of A into A means we have to multiply it with A. What is a A? Let A is a statement. So इसको क्या करना है, ये हमारे पास adjoint आया A का, तो इसको इसके साथ multiply करना है. 1 3 1 minus 1 0 0 2 minus 2 3. We have to multiply it with it. Then the answer will be A determinant into I. I के साथ A determinant multiply करने पर आंसर सेम आना चाहिए, तो हमने ये वेरीफाई करना है. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई इट. मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करते हैं? फर्स्ट रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम. 0 into 1 0 plus 3 into 3 9 plus 2 into 1 2. Okay, now this row to this column 0 into 1 minus 0 3 into 0 0 2 into 0 0, that will be 0. 0 को सबके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. अब क्या करना है, 0 को 2 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया 0, 3 को -2 that will be -6 plus 2 into 3 6. Okay, now we will do by the second row. -11 1 3s are 3 plus 8 1s are 8. -11 -1 11 1 0s are 0 8 0s are 0. -11 2s are -22, that will be -2, that will be 8 3s are 24. Okay, now 3 1s are 3, -1 3s are -3, 3 1s are 3, -3 0 0 ही है यहाँ पे 6 -1 -2 plus 2 3 3s are 9. Okay, so your answer is 9 plus 2 11. 8 and 3 11 11 and 11 0. ठीक है, 3 and 3 कट हो गया तो क्या रह गया 3. यहाँ पे 0 है, 11 है, -3 है, -6 plus 6 0, -2 -22 and 2 -24 plus 24 0. 6 plus 2 8 8 and 9 17. Got it? 3 2s are 6. Now this is adjoint of A into A. Now we have to find its matrix. A matrix into I. A matrix I मतलब 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, now we have to multiply with A determinant. We have to find A determinant. That will be 1 into 3 zeros are 0 and 2 zeros are 0, that will be 0. Now sign negative, -1 ये वाली कॉलम एंड ये रो छोड़ा. 3 3s are 9 -2 -11. 3 3s are 9 plus 2 11, that will be 11. Now plus 2 3 0 are 0, that will be 0. So this will be 11. Okay student, there was some correction. यहाँ पे 0 आना था, A13 था. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे 0 करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे भी 0 0 आ जाएगा. जब ऐड करेंगे तो हमारे पास आ गया 11 0 0 0 11 0 एंड 0 0 11. नाउ A डिटर्मिनेंट इंटू आई. A डिटर्मिनेंट 11 आया ना, A डिटर्मिनेंट आपको आई के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 11 0 0 0 11 0 एंड 0 0 11 आ जाएगा. सो दैट विल बी इक्वल टू A इंटू adjoint of A is equal to A determinant into I. Hence proved. Okay, so this is your second question. This is your second question. Now find the inverse of the each of the matrix 5 to 11. 5 to 11 क्वेश्चन में हमने ना मैट्रिक्स फाइंड करना है. So we will find the matrix. How we can find the matrix? There have some properties of matrix or some properties of inverse. Properties of inverse. I will tell you about the properties of inverse. First is, if A determinant is equal to 0, that will be singular matrix. That will be singular matrix. अगर A determinant equal to 0 आ जाए ना तो वो singular matrix होता है. तो वहाँ पे ना A inverse does not exist. Does not exist. Okay. If A determinant is equal to not equal to 0, that will be non-singular matrix. That will be non-singular matrix. It means A inverse exist. तो वहाँ क्या करेगा, A inverse. Now फॉर्मूला क्या है A inverse फाइंड करने का? फॉर्मूला है A inverse is equal to adjoint of A upon A determinant. So this is the basically main formula to find the A inverse. When they will told you कि A inverse find करो, so you have to find firstly adjoint of A, then divide by A determinant. You will find A inverse. Okay. So these all questions are same. One I will do for you. Rest of the parts you can do yourself. Okay. So 8th question I will do for you and up to 11th question. आज हम 11 तक की क्वेश्चन करेंगे, उसमें से मैं 8 पार्ट आपको करा देती हूँ, एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट यू हैव टू डू सेल्फ बिकॉज ऑल क्वेश्चन आर सेम ना. सो आई विल डू फर्स्ट फॉर यू 8 क्वेश्चन. आई विल डू फॉर यू 8 क्वेश्चन, that is 1350320 minus 1. Firstly I will find the cofactors. You know how to find cofactors, so मैं आपको cofactors करके directly बता देती हूँ. So these are the cofactors of this matrix A1, A11, A12, 13, 21, 22, 23, 31, 32, 33, and I wrote it directly in the form of column form. Okay, so this is the transpose of A determinant. So this is adjoint of A. Now we will find the A determinant. How we find the A determinant of this question? And first this one and this column and this row, 3 ones are -3, -3, -0 आ जाएगा. नाउ साइन क्या आ जाएगा? नेगेटिव का. 0 है, सबके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 0 आएगा, फिर भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 0 आएगा. सो -3 इज योर A इनवर्स, सॉरी A डिटर्मिनेंट. नाउ A इनवर्स कैसे फाइंड करना है? 1/-3 and -3, 3, 9, 0, -5, -2, 0, 0, 3. This is your A inverse. You just have to divide it by A determinant. A determinant कितना आया था? -3. तो इसको इसके साथ डिवाइड कर दिया. अपॉन में आना था ना, तो डिवाइड कर दिया विद एडजॉइंट ऑफ A. That is your 4.5 exercise 1 to 11 question. Okay, so do rest of the part of yourself. If any problem you can ask me. Okay, thank you.